Now, I bought a fishing boat this spring, and I promptly, well, not right out of the bat, but within a couple of weeks, I hooked the battery cables up backwards. And, I haven't had a lot of experience with boats, but I figured, well, that's probably not a big deal. Okay, well, it was a big deal. It cost me a couple of $100 in components that I had to replace in order to ever get it to start again. And so, what I did was I bought one of these sets of plugs. I'll put a link to them down in the description for you in case you're interested in them. I also have a video on how to solder them up and get them to fit. But anyway, so I attached it to this, and the beauty of this is you can't hook it up backwards. It has to go together correctly. So what you do is you take your cable that goes from your battery. Now this is a car battery, so normally this would be going to some lugs on top of a battery. When I bought the boat, this was the battery the guy gave me, so I've been using it because it's still working. But anyway, you'll probably have lugs on top with some clamps on there that'll come. So you just cut your cable between your battery and your motor, and then you're going to put one side of this here and one side coming from the boat. And then when I take this out of my boat every time and bring it in and make sure it's maintained and charged. So it makes it really easy to pull it out. And then when I get ready to hook it up, you just come back and you plug it in like that. Never a chance of hooking it up backwards, and that has solved my problem. Anyway, I hope this will help some of you guys out there. Probably y'all aren't as stupid as I am, and you probably don't have these issues. But anyway, thought this might help somebody. Thank you for watching.